From Sooner Standards Modeling Data Longevity, Identity, and Privacy, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.IC.SLE.01. Students learn to model the connection between the longevity of data on the internet, personal online identity, and personal privacy. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual connection chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltonses of no prep, HQIM aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.